promote morals. That in my manifesto, that is big. I only talked about that. To promote people morals, I plan to put there some gifts. Any girl who completes the university and is safe, is virgin, at least a capital of 2 million. A capital of 2 million. See? People who will be dressing properly, at least a gift, a weekly gift. Certain girl has been dressing properly, has been found in town, is dressing properly. At least let's give a gift. So in that way, we shall erode away what the immorality. In that way.
How about they going to do for the boys who complete campus when they are virgins?
When they are virgins, at least for their case, I emphasize of the side of the girls. With the boys, I will put in plan and see how to do it. Because with the boys you cannot. There's no evidence. There's no clear evidence. But with girls, you can.